Welcome, everybody. My name is Oliver Gottfried, and I'm a former postdoc at MIT Sloan Sustainability Initiative. And I'm currently a Breakthrough Energy Business Fellow working on climate tech startups, especially focusing on AI applications within climate tech. So I created this workshop with my colleague, Todd Hines, who is a professor at MIT Sloan and who is leading the Climate and Energy Ventures course from the Martin Trust Center, which is really aimed for promoting climate tech entrepreneurs in that field. This workshop is pretty much focused on early stage startups, those startups who are usually pre-seed, seed, or even some Series A startups, but with the goal to help them really do a proper and adequate market segmentation, which will help you in your longer fundraising and your business efforts. So with that said, let's have a look at who this is for. I already mentioned it's for early stage alignment tech startups, especially with a focus on AI, and who are operating in a B2B SaaS environment. This is very important because usually for hard tech, there are some other rules. So keep that in mind. Secondly, why is this beneficial? Because it really provides you with practical insights to how to do market segmentation and some other types of analysis, which will help your startup do fundraising, do better business operations, and plan in according to the customer's pain points and needs. This is really important here to consider. And finally, what is the source of this workshop? Well, first of all, this workshop is based on the book Disciplined Entrepreneurship of Professor Bill Ollett, but it's also based on the practical applications we have done at MIT's Climate and Energy Ventures class, and also including some materials from Stanford Climate Ventures. So how did we structure this workshop? First of all, we will teach you about market segmentation, what it is, how to apply it, and what some common pitfalls are. Then, and this is a very important topic, we're going to focus on primary market research. You can have the best market segmentation. If you don't speak with the customer, it's all worth nothing. So this is extremely important. Step number 2. Then you have to choose the beachhead market. And then you also have to really define your end user profile and your customer persona. Finally, you calculate your TAM, your total addressable market, and then you use that TAM to expand from this potential market into future larger markets segments. And we will explain you how to do that and what kind of tools to use. So with that being said, I really hope you will enjoy this workshop and you get the best out of it for your startup. And we will see you in the next video.